Hey team, just want to send out a quick video on the escalation clause and how it can help you compete for highest and best offers. So the great thing about this escalation clause is it will enable you to win the highest and best by the least amount possible. So none of our buyers want to get first place in these highest and best by $10,000. They all want to get first place by just a little bit more than the next highest offer. So this is what this form accomplishes. Just like any form, we're going to fill in our date. We're going to put the date that the purchase agreement we filled out is for, the property of the address, and then down here on line 11, we're going to start to fill in the escalation terms. This escalating factor, this is basically the increasing factor of your offer. So if I put $1,000 in this line, it is kind of like an auction. That means if someone else has a higher offer than mine, I will beat it by $1,000. And then we also want to put in a cap. So in this scenario, let's say we've got a house listed at $160,000. My clients are in a highest and best with at least one other offer. They're willing to pay $165,000, but they don't want to if they don't have to. So in the purchase agreement, we'll put $160,000 as the offer amount, list price. And in the escalation clause, we'll put $165,000. And what will happen is we will beat any other offer and we will go to a maximum of $165,000. So if someone else offered $162,000, our offer automatically increases to $163,000. Down here we'll have the terms, the changing of financing. So financing will change a little bit if your offer increases due to this escalation. What we will typically see is we'll want to check this third box. So if we have an FHA loan, we're going to probably want to keep that loan amount at 96.5%. If we have a conventional 95.5 loan, we'll want to keep that at 95%. Some of these other boxes, box 1, will be if you are going to keep the loan amount the same, but increase the amount the buyer is going to bring in cash to the closing. The most common one, again, is going to be this third option, and that's just going to be to put the loan amount from the purchase agreement in that blank. Now, to have this accepted, the seller actually would need to send a counteroffer and change the purchase price to whatever the escalation clause takes that purchase price to. And then our offer would be accepted. So again, great way to be the winning bid, but not be the winning bid by $10,000. Hope this is helpful, and I hope to see you all soon.